So y'all forgive me. I have recorded this video 3 times. Well, this is my third time because the audio failed on me. It is what it is. So if y'all know me in real life, y'all know I struggle with eczema. This is the previous scar that's healed, and here's one. Ooh, I don't know how to show y'all, but here's one. It's like right there. It's kind of reddish. Got it on my hands. And if y'all seen some of my cooking videos, y'all have seen my eczema. And eczema is like atopic dermatitis. And the itis part of dermatitis means inflammation. So it's inflammation of the skin. And I really wanted to make my own stuff so I can try to help better treat my eczema. Um, Buying Aveeno and Aquaphor um, from the store is expensive. Yeah, it might last a while, but again, it's still expensive. So finding like, I guess, hacks and way to make skincare or have a lot of skincare for cheaper, even though this still costs a lot of money, um, has been my goal. And just try to, again, making things more accessible. So I first started off with just lavender and chamomile, and I will put it in olive or avocado oil because, again, easily accessible. So I'm from Memphis, and when I was living in Midtown, I would get my herbs from Maggie's Pharmacy, and it's in Overton Square. Yeah, Overton Square. Um, and they have a lot of cool stuff. They also have vitamin E oil too, and I started using that afterwards. Because again, I was just looking up more stuff about healing my skin. Um, So yeah, for your herbs, you can go to your local apothecary or botanica. So in Memphis, they have Maggie's Pharmacy, Elbow Shop, the Broom Closet, and Memphis Conjure. They should all have herbs. Um, I know we're in the South, and Christianity and all that is very big and important. But don't be afraid to go in these spiritual shops to get herbs for personal, non-spiritual uses. It's perfectly fine. They're not scary. They're great. They're bad cool. And a lot of them have people who have been working with herbs for a long time. So they can tell you what you can use for it in not any way, but they'll tell you, like, oh, if I need this or I have this ailment, they'll point you to the right direction.